How to make thumbnails on CapCut. So for this, go ahead and open a CapCut and tap on New Project. Then go ahead and select a background for your thumbnail. If it's in portrait, to make it landscape, simply tap on Ratio and from here select 4:3. Then once you do that, tap on the photograph and tap on Edit. Here, rotate it to make it landscape. Now once you are done with this, tap on Overlay and tap on Overlay and select a photograph that you want to add in your thumbnail and simply resize it and reposition it according to your preference. Now you have to go ahead and repeat this process again. Tap on Add Overlay and select a photograph, then simply reposition it and resize it and place it according to your preference. Now you have to repeat it until you have added all of the graphics, stickers and more in your thumbnail. So I want to add this coffee one more time, so let's go ahead and repeat this process. On to the next step, let's go ahead and add a text. For that, tap on Text and tap on Add Text. Here, go ahead and write what you want in your thumbnail. For an example, this is a vlog to back to school. And you can also go ahead and select style, effects, animation, and more. You can also select fun from this wide range of collections. Then just tap on the tick mark. Now place it and rearrange it according to your preference. Now here you go, you have a perfect thumbnail for your YouTube channel. So go ahead and give this a try and thank you so much for watching.